Hello people, welcome to my trading video. Today's the 11th of June 2009. It's 9:27 and I'll be back with the market open. Alright guys, market's just opened up here and we did a gap up from yesterday's close. Still an inside day gap up, and if we look at the daily chart here, still kind of been going sideways. Anyway, I'll be back with some trades, guys. Alright, I usually don't trade these like under $10 stocks, but kind of like in this one, the HGSI. Looking here at the daily, I think it may have a chance to get up to $3.50 or something close to there. So right now I got 6,000 shares at $3.19. So I think this one's gonna turn out pretty well. I might even get some more if it goes down towards a low at 312. Alright, just hit there, so got another 6,000 and just a lot of shares, 12,000. I got an average price of 314. So gonna be back to update this one. Might take a little while. Alright, here she goes. Let's see it break 20. That's what I'm waiting for. Alright, hit 20. Alright, this is good here. Alright, taking mine. That was a good profit. 914. But it's a commission trade, so 120 on commissions right there. So still up 914, and be back with something else. And I'll be back to update you guys on this one, just to see if it went up to 350. And look, it keeps going. Yeah, glad I caught on to this one. It's another small stock. Been looking at Jazz Pharmaceuticals and waiting for a little pullback. So I'm trying to bid into it. 3,000 shares at $3.95, and thinking maybe you could get back down to into the 80s, and gonna get the rest right there. So I'll have a 6,000 share position, but might not even get hit on the 95s. But we'll see. Maybe I'll get some. But yeah, it might not even get hit. This might not even turn out to be tradable here. So just looking back at HGSI, and yeah, it didn't get up to 350, but could still go here. Alright, got hit on the Jazz. Looking to get 3,000 more here. If it gets into the 80s. Looks like it might do that. Alright, there it goes. It's gonna take them there. So average price I got right now is $3.90. That's not bad. And I guess I'll be back to update this. You know, and I'm looking for this thing to go to highs, which is $4.20. Pretty much, I just bought it at like at a support area, so you could see over here. And stochastics are starting to get overbought. Well, it's gonna take a while, but it's gonna get there. And that's why I'm thinking this is gonna be it's going to be good here. So also looking at how the traders are reacting to that $4 number, and just saw it get up there and sell off a little bit, so I might put a limit order out there to sell some at 4. Might get hit on it real quick. Gonna sell 2,000 at 4. So be back to update this, guys. I just got hit on my 4s, so I'm up 1174 and still have 4,000 shares. Let's see what this does here. Alright, now it's starting to move, or it was. You know what, gonna take the rest. So all out of that, I'm up 1589, so this turned out to be pretty good play. Playing these penny stocks. The way I got these is I'm looking at the pre-market gainers, pre-market losers, and these guys were up. They were on the pre-market gainers list, so pretty much just waited for a pullback. But I was planning on shorting these small stocks, but yeah, they just look too strong, so I got in long and turned out well. Anyway, be back to something else, guys. Alright, I'm starting to scale into this UNH. This thing's down quite a bit, almost 9%. So trying to get a short, get into this pretty much a short cover play, but also looking at stochastics, it's not just hit it for another 1,000, by the way. It's not too oversold yet, so the shorts might still be around. But if anything, I'll just scalp this thing. Alright, almost got $100. Still got a lot of time left on this candle too, so anything could happen. But you know, I'll be back to update. Alright, back to update, but not the UNH play. Just looking back at the HGSI, and as you can see, it's gotten close to that $3.50 mark. So I really should have just probably held on to this, and would have been a lot more profitable of a play than what I had. But you know, can't get them all. You know, might get some more of this UNH right here. Yeah, just leave it at this. 2,000 shares. Next candle's coming up, so you know, I'm gonna take mine there. Got the scalp. So I'm up 1859, and on that play made about 266, 270 actually. And be back to something else, guys. Might even get back into this UNH. Just waiting for the right setup. Just waiting for the stochastics to get more oversold, and should be a green light to get in.